Struggling to stay consistent with YouTube Shorts? Let me show you how to automate the entire process using AI. Welcome to our channel. Creating YouTube Shorts every day can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to automate the process and save hours of editing? That's exactly what you can do with Pictory.ai. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation tool that helps you turn scripts, articles, or even long videos into short, engaging clips. And the best part, it does most of the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. First, upload your script or paste your text directly into Pictory. The AI automatically matches your content with stock footage, images, and music. In just minutes, you'll have a ready-to-publish YouTube short. Already have long-form videos? Pictory can analyze them and pull out the most engaging highlights, turning them into short clips instantly. This is perfect for repurposing podcasts, webinars, or tutorials into bite-sized videos that perform well on YouTube Shorts. Customization is simple, too. You can choose different aspect ratios to fit YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You can add captions automatically, which is crucial since most shorts are watched without sound. And with AI voiceovers or your own recordings, your content feels polished and professional. The real power here is automation. Instead of spending hours editing each video, you can create and schedule multiple shorts in one sitting. That means more content, more consistency, and faster growth on your channel. And let's not forget speed. What used to take a full day of editing can now be done in less than 10 minutes. This allows you to focus on creativity and strategy, while Pictory handles the editing. So, if you want to automate your YouTube Shorts creation, save time, and grow your channel faster, Pictory.ai is the tool you need. Smart, simple, and efficient, it makes content creation effortless. Ready to create stunning videos in minutes? Join Transform Academy's Pictory.ai video creation course on our website by clicking in the description box. Like, share and subscribe for more tips.